What's up, my good people? Welcome to ICO reviews. Thank you for watching my videos always. Today I'll be reviewing Xresearch Ico. But before I continue, please, I want to let you know that anything I've said in this video is strictly my personal opinion. Now let's get down to business. Xresearch Ico. Stop relying on guesswork for your crypto, blockchain, and ICO investment. The truth is that most people get involved in cryptocurrencies are doing guesswork. What will work, what will not work. For sure, no one knows 100% how the market is going to move, when the market is going to crash, when it's going to be a bull run, the best ICO to invest on. But they are professionals, people who can tell you 80-90% how things are going to look like. And for instance, 2016 there were very few ICOs, very little ICOs, but 2018, wow, so many ICOs keep coming every now and then. And the truth is, not all these ICOs are going to do well. In fact, some of these ICOs are going to lose their value once they come out, once they hit the exchange. So some persons invest in ICOs and they lose their money. Some people invest in ICOs that are scams, and because they've got burnt over and over again, they may even decide to stop investing in cryptocurrency. Now, Xresearch is bringing up researchers in one platform, and they will be able to help every individual, both experienced and unexperienced crypto traders, to be able to make the right decision, the kind of ICOs to invest on. We all need that. You need professionals to let you know. If not, you're going to lose a lot of your money. Cryptocurrency involves money, your hard-earned money. You need people to help you. And some of the mistakes some people make is they believe that the more people are involved in the ICOs, sometimes you check an ICOs and people are bullish about it. You check their Telegram, 100,000 people on it. You check their Twitter, wow, you feel like, wow, this ICO is huge and it's going to be the best. And you invest in the ICO and it may be a scam and it may not really do well. So majority does not always carry the vote. Some ICOs may not have the people so much at the beginning. Community may be little, but the team members are working, and those ICOs comes and they become good. Some of the ICOs we look down on end up being good. So Xresearch is going to help us to reduce, to minimize our loss in cryptocurrency. We will be getting advice from them. And the team, those who will be working on the platform, are experienced people in stock in cryptocurrency trading. They also get reward by helping people to make the right decision. Let's go down. The website is beautiful and it's unique. And it's saying team interview coming soon. So they are telling you that very soon you will be seeing your team members talking to you. That will make you feel better, like, wow, this ICO is not a scam. The team members are having a video. You can see them. Our founding team members have over 30 years of experience as Wall Street investment professionals at firms like PIMCO, Morgan Stanley, Citigroup, Deutsche Bank. These are huge institutions. Huge institution. Huge. He says, get crypto tips from the pros. Become a verified expert. Get paid for your contributions. What else can you ask for? This is how it works. And if you are a token holder of Xresearch, you can contribute independent research, become verified and charge a fee. Track its trading history via APIs for an immutable record of activities, purchase research services from the core team and community, become a compensated validating node of the network, own a percentage equity in the company, so you can even own stakes in the company itself. And this is their previous experience. People they work Goldman Sachs. This is huge. Goldman Sachs, Deutsche Bank, and all the rest. They are huge. So our managing team, Charles Wyman is here. We have Alan Obatroman, Chief Executive Officer Barry Cohen. You have them one after another here. Board of Advisors, they are here. And this is the roadmap, and this is token allocation. If you're a citizen or legal resident of the United States, or if you're a citizen or legal resident of a country in which ICO has been banned, you may not participate in the Xresearch Crypto Online Media ICO, a regulation securities offering. So if you're from US and from countries like China, some countries that have banned ICOs, sorry, you won't be able to involve in this ICO. You may not. Yeah. So here also, let's check down here. Total is 1 billion S-rest. 1 billion and 650 million for public sale, 200 million for reserve, 100 million for treasury, and 50 million for team and founders. Yeah, that is good. Let's check the white paper. The white paper is well put together. 28-page white paper. So I've gone through it, and at ICO reviews, one of the things I do is I make sure that I want to check if the white paper is unique. One of the ways you check for scam, that they were put together. The white paper tells you a lot about an ICO, what they want to do. Are they people who are experienced, or people who are just amateur trying to create an ICO? So I will encourage you to go to the ICO, but as I've said, the ICO is unique. The white paper is unique, it's not plagiarized, it's not copy and paste. So it's beautiful 28-page white paper. So I encourage you to go through it and read it one after another. And there's also one thing here about the team members. You can see years of experience of the team members. You'll be able to get to know the team member better, the experience they have, and all the rest you can think of here, one after another. Let's check the who is their Xresearch.io 2018 expired 2019. Wow, so far so good. I really love the project. I love what they want to do, what they are planning to do. I believe it's going to help a lot of people getting involved in the ICOs, cryptocurrency, to have more experience, to be able to know the right decision to make. So I'm dropping the link down below. So just click on the link and sign up for the ICO. But do not forget, anything I've said in this review is strictly my personal opinion. Thank you very much for watching the review. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. Until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.